So over here, you can see that I have this particular text right here from Wikipedia. Let me just go ahead and copy and paste it out in DeepSeek. So now what I'm going to go around and say is reformat and bold the text. Bold the text which are important in this content right here. So if I were to go ahead and do that, now what happens is that it'll simply go through all of the text right here and will bold out the important text right there, just like that, as you can see. So you can see that this is what you have. It bolded out the important text right here, like bit, give it can exist, and so forth, as you can see right here. So now what you can also do is, let's say for example, now give me the text in HTML format with use of different colors of text for highlights as needed. Use red for grammar and green for technical words, for example, right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around over here, just like this, and then let me just go ahead and correct this so you can be very specific right here. And then this is what you have. So I said HTML format. So if I were to go ahead and hit the send button right here, then what happens is that it'll go ahead and reformat that text out as, let's say for example, the HTML right here. So you can see that it defined styles like grammar, technical, and important. So you got grammar is red, and then technical is green, and the important is font weight bold right there, just like that. So once it finishes out generating, just like this, you can simply go ahead and run the HTML code right here. And then you can see that the highlight has been done accordingly. So this is what you have, as you can see, and that is how you can actually go ahead and then reformat out the text using DeepSeek easily. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.